Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an amazing tool in the world of cryptocurrency that can radically change your approach to earning. Let's start with the basics. MIV, or miner extractable value, is your chance to profit from cryptocurrency price fluctuations. Imagine you're a trader who always knows the best moments to buy and sell. The Ethereum MIV bot does exactly that. It's your personal financial assistant in the cryptocurrency world. It automatically analyzes the market, picking the best moments for transactions. You don't need to spend hours in front of a monitor, studying complex charts. The bot operates on advanced algorithms that do all the hard work for you. It's the perfect tool for those just starting their journey in the cryptocurrency world, as it's easy to use and offers a chance to learn by observing its operation. Ultimately, the Ethereum MIV bot isn't just any bot. It's your path to smart and efficient trading. And now, let's take a closer look at the interface of our bot. Open the home page and click Start. You can also download a version for Windows to your computer or switch to the Web 3.0 version. Launch the application and create a PIN code for logging in. Remember it to avoid future access issues. Next, we arrive at the main control screen. Now we need to connect a wallet. We press the Connect Wallet button. Here we can either connect an existing wallet or create a new one. Let's create a new wallet. We receive a seed phrase. Save the received seed phrase in a secure place. Then click Assign Wallet. That's it. Now, to start the bot, you need to top up the balance. Click Add Funds and choose a convenient way to top up. Note that the initial capital directly affects the speed and dynamics of your profit growth. For topping up the balance, the program is ready to work. We can immediately start it by clicking Start or go to Bot Settings for more precise program settings. Here, we can set the amount the bot will use for trading. There is also a choice of exchanges where operations will be conducted. You can select all DEXs, but we advise against doing so, as it may slow down the bot's operation. There is also the option to select the cycle time, the age of the liquidity pool, choose a working strategy, and the Ether network fee. As you can see, the program has many customizable parameters for more precise operation. However, if you are not an experienced user, don't worry. By default, the bot already has optimal settings. We press Save. That's all. We launch the bot. Choose the cycle time. After launching, it is highly recommended not to perform any operations with a connected wallet, as this may disrupt the bot's operation. Be patient. Once the bot is running, we see the countdown until the end of the cycle. Returning to the main screen, you can observe the time and balance in real time. Now the bot operates according to the set settings. Your participation is not required. The program works autonomously. You can leave the application and return at the end of the cycle. We accelerated time while preparing this video. Now, you can observe how the balance of our bot changed. As you can see, during the bot's cycle, 24 successful attacks were made, and 0.9322 ETH of net profit was earned. All that's left for us is to click Claim Profit. We click Next. Click Confirm. As a result, in 12 hours of operation, the bot brought us 0.9322 ETH or $2,756. This money is yours. You can withdraw it or launch the bot again. Of course, with a smaller starting capital, the profit will also be less. But nonetheless, you will still come out ahead. The Ethereum MIV bot was designed for one task, to make a profit, and it successfully accomplishes this task. Activate the Ethereum MIV bot, and it immediately starts working for you 24/7. While you enjoy life, it labors, creating profit opportunities you could only dream of before. We're talking about real, tangible income. Imagine your income increasing by up to 20% for every operation cycle of the bot. These aren't just numbers. This is your new standard for financial success. Users are already seeing their investments grow thanks to the bot's intelligent operation. This is your chance to join them and discover a world where earnings are on autopilot. Besides the impressive 20% income per cycle, let's consider how the bot can change your approach to investing. The bot operates continuously, monitoring the market and adapting strategies to changes. This means your chances of success increase, as you're utilizing the most advanced technology. Additionally, the Ethereum bot reduces the risk of human error. It's smart, reliable, and tuned for maximum profit. And most importantly, MivBot is perfect for both experienced traders and those new to the cryptocurrency world. And don't worry if you're new to cryptocurrencies. The bot is designed to be understandable and accessible to any user. With optimal settings to get started, you can begin without deep knowledge in analytics and trading. Imagine your balance growing while you enjoy life. This isn't just an increase in income. It's a new level of freedom in your financial life. This is your chance to change your finances for the better. Don't miss the opportunity to join the cryptocurrency revolution with the Ethereum bot. Start today and let technology work for you.